How to apply a promo code or discount on gogift.com. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to gogift.com. Once the homepage loads, browse or search for the gift card you want to buy. After selecting your desired gift card, choose the amount and add it to your cart. Next, click on the cart icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page to review your order. On the cart or checkout page, look for the field labeled promo code, discount code, or something similar. Enter your valid promo code carefully into this box. Make sure to double check the code for accuracy, then click apply or the equivalent button. If the promo code is valid, you will see the discount applied to your total order amount immediately. Proceed to enter your payment details and complete the purchase with the discounted price. If the code doesn't work, verify the terms and conditions or expiration date of the promo code and try again. Now you know how to apply a promo code or discount on gogift.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more online shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.